Hi there! In this video, we'll learn how to register a driver's profile. A company can have 3 types of driver registration. Invite a driver from MyHub, where an invited driver gets a message with the app link. Invite drivers in bulk by importing a file with phone numbers, which owners will get an invite to register. Allow public registration, where a driver has to download the app from the store and submit the registration request to the company. This is available for production companies only. For any registration, a driver has to create a profile in the app. Download the application. Authorize into the app with the OTP received to the requested phone number. On the first screen, fill out personal information. Add a photo from the gallery or take a new one. Driver photo is optional unless set as required by the company. Fill out name and driver's license number. Tap Save and fill out vehicle details. Take a vehicle photo or select one from the app gallery. The photo is optional unless set as required by the company. Add vehicle brand and model, production year, passenger capacity, color, plate number, and board number. Specify additional options and tap Save. After that, add the driver's license documents and save them. Now you have to wait for the company to review and process your activation request. At this stage, the driver's profile will appear in Waiting for Activation status in MyHub. Access the profile, assign the subscription plan if needed, and select the service type. Change profile status from Waiting for Activation to Active and tap Save. Now the profile is fully activated. The driver can open the app, reconfirm the services, go online, and start receiving jobs. To receive trip receipts after each order, the driver should access the Personal Information subtab and add a valid email. If a driver fails to complete the registration, the profile status is Incomplete Registration. In this case, a driver can either finalize the registration later, or a manager has to do it from MyHub profile on the driver's behalf. That's about it for today. See you in the next videos.